I've got another unboxing video, and this time it is Asos, and this is Asos's August box. So if you don't know anything about the beauty boxes that Asos have started doing over the last couple of months, I'll just give you a quick lowdown. It's not a subscription box, it's just if you see it and you like it, then you can buy it. It tells you exactly what's inside the box on their website. The box costs £12. They did do a Clinique special edition one, and that was £15, but generally over the last couple of months these boxes have been £12. Now they sell out super fast, and I mean super fast, within days. So I have started receiving messages off people, which is wonderful, telling me when this box is up on Asos so that I can get it straight away. And I've got a Facebook page. I just started it a couple of months ago, so as soon as I see offers and deals and things like this cropping up, I will post straight there, and just to let you guys know as well. And I know when I posted on my Facebook page a couple of days ago, some of you weren't able to get it as it was sold out, but it seemed that it came back in again, so maybe they have a few to sell and then, I don't know, they sell out and then they put more up for sale. I don't know what's going on, but the best bet is to look at the very start of each month. Now it might be a box that you might not be interested in, which is fine, but there might be a box that you absolutely love. In this month's box, it's the Travels Essentials box, and is an item I love. It is one of my holy grail of beauty products or makeup products, and I'm in need of buying one, and it would cost me £10 to buy it, and I got it in here as well as all the other products. So this is the Travels Essential box, so let's see what's inside. So as always, you get a little card inside, and then you get wrapping with the products there. So those are the items. I won't tip it out too much, but I'll just put it down to the side of me, and I'll pick an item and show you and have a little chat about it as we go along. I feel like I'm really far back. I think I am more so than normal. I'm not sure. I'm sure I'm used to seeing in the viewfinder my face up here. I don't know, unless it's because I'm wearing white. I don't know. Anyway, the information on the card says no hold bag, no problem. Whether you're jetting off to Tallinn for 2 weeks or popping over to Paris for the weekend, we've got you covered with all the mini travel essentials your body needs to sparkle this summer. After a day by the pool, rehydrate with a few drops of Emma Hardy Facial Brilliance Oil, or kick back with Glam Glow's Thirsty Mud Mask while treating your locks with OUAI-S. Always. Rose hair oil. Then when the sun sets, get that sun-kissed, no makeup look with Touch and Solve's No Problem primer and Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is my holy grail item. Finish with a spritz of Rodial's Dragon Blood Tonic to lock in that moisture. The first item, and it's a really nice size actually, it's a 50ml, and it's a Rodial Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Tonic Rehydrating Toner with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B12. Now I love these sprays. Oh, I absolutely love them, and the fact it contains hyaluronic acid and B12, or B3, sorry, B12, I absolutely love it. Hopefully my skin will love it too. Let's try a spray. Oh, it's so nice and cooling. Very subtle smell, so no, I can't wait to try that. Ooh. So this is my favourite product in the world as far as mascaras go. Now I've tried a ton of mascaras. I have got really short, thin, quite fair at the roots maybe, straight lashes, and I have a nightmare trying to find mascaras to suit me. Now there are a few around that I do like, but I always keep going back to this. Absolutely love it. It is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It is amazing. Start with, I tried this travel version, which costs £10 in the shops. I get mine from Debenhams. I just order it online and then I pick it up. But obviously it depends on where you live. I live a bit in the sticks, so I have to do a lot of ordering online and picking up. So, so that's what I do. You can buy the bigger version, which is what, £22, but I found mascaras, they just get dry quite quickly. I wear them every single day, and I just find that going for travel size versions like this, I don't feel like I'm wasting my money as much. You know, a couple of months down the line when this starts getting a bit dry, then I don't feel that bad about going out and popping out and buying a new one. Whereas if I've got a big one, then yeah, it's a lot of money, and I don't have that cash to waste really. But no, oh, what am I doing? I want to show you the actual brush. It's quite a wide brush. But yeah, normally I'm not that keen on brushes this size, but it just does wonders for my lashes. Makes them look thick, separates them, thickens them, lengthens them. Oh, honestly, it is amazing. If you haven't tried it and you have got really crap eyelashes like myself, then I do suggest you try and see if you can buy it and see if you can try it. So the next item is a Glam Glow. It's a facial mud, and this is a Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment. Oh, that's what that looks like there. Now this is enough just to do, what is it? It's 15 grams, so it's enough to do one face. One face. It's enough to do your whole face once, I meant to say. And yeah, I haven't tried actually this one, so I might give that a go. So Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment, or I might wait until the winter actually, because my skin tends to get a little bit more dry in the winter. But no, so the next item is a No Problem primer, and it's a smooth and pore covering primer in Touch and Sol. So this is a 3 ml little sample. Got huge pores, and I've always had problems with them, always, so it'd be nice to see what this is like. Ooh, very, very, very smooth. It's got silicone in there, but it's, oh, it feels really nice. That just doesn't feel like I've got anything on my skin now. It absorbs well into my skin. So now I look forward to trying that. I don't know anything about this brand. That's that item. Then you've got the item I can't pronounce. Oye. It's a rose hair and body oil. That's what it looks like there. So a nice spray size really, a nice travel size. Let's open it up. Always nice to have a little bit of lipstick on all your products, isn't it? Mine. So, oh, it's not a spray, it's a little pump dispenser. So I'm just going to try it on the other side of my hand here. So it's for your hair as well. Okay, a lot came out then. Yeah, it's like an oil as you'd imagine an oil to be. No colour or anything. Nice subtle smell. Feels nice. I put too much on my hand. I need to rub it all in my wrists and everything. So no, nice. So that's that. And then our last item is a facial oil by Emma Hardy, and it's Amazing Face, Look Younger Naturally, Brilliance Facial Oil, and it's 5 ml bottle. Emma Hardy is lovely. I've had the cleansing balm, which is gorgeous. And I think that's about it. I've tried of Emma Hardy because it's quite an expensive brand, I think. I normally get them in like Feel and Look Fantastic subscription boxes. I love a facial oil. Really starting to get into them the older I'm getting. I currently mix the Lancer facial oil that I received in July's Look Fantastic box. It's a little bottle like that. And I mix it in my Clinique Moisture Surge moisturiser. Put a little dollop of each in my hand. Massage it all over my face. And it feels gorgeous, feels really nice. You can put primer on top, you know, like about 5-10 minutes later, and makeup sits well, really nice. So it'll be interesting to see what this oil is like as well. So I'll just gather everything up. We've got 6 items there, all travel sizes. We've got a facial oil, we've got a face mask, we've got a mascara, we've got a pore primer, and we've got a facial mist, and we've got a hair and body oil as well. I think that's really lovely, considering I was just going to buy this mascara anyway in the next week or two for an extra £2. I've got all the rest. I think I'm really excited to try this pore primer and the spray, but no, look forward to trying everything really. I think it's quite a nice box. So what do you think? As always, I'd love to read your comments, and if you enjoy this unboxing, please leave me a big like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I've got lots more videos coming, quite a few unboxings, quite a few beauty reviews I've got lined up actually, so it's trying to fit it all in, and I don't want to bombard you with tons of videos coming out all the time, but then I want them to be relevant. I don't want it to wait like a month or so down the line as well, so I need a bit of working out, that's all. But yeah, look out for a few reviews over the next couple of weeks anyway. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.